Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add a friend on your Steam account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to add a friend on your Steam account, first log into your Steam account on your computer, as I have already logged into my Steam account over here. As you can see, I'm logged into the Steam app on my computer. You can also perform this task from your Steam browser. Now, to add a friend on your Steam account, you can also see your username available over here just beside the community, and on the third side, or the third option, which is the friends, click on friends. And on this interface on the left side of your screen, you can see the add a friend option available over here. Click on add a friend. But before you add a friend, you need to know a thing. You will have to spend at least $5 on your Steam account before you add a friend, to make sure that your account is legitimate for Steam. And with that being said, after you have spent your $5 on your Steam account, you'll be able to add many friends on your account. And after that, enter your friends code over here, which will be available on your friends account. Tell them to mail their code on your social media, and then paste it over here. And after that, and after pasting your code, you can see your friend will be invited to your account and to a friend request. And there guys, this is how you add your friend on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.